Wake up, San Francisco! It's Jane Boyd and Karen Robinson, and you're on the air! Okay. Hey everyone! I am here with my BFF, Karen Sita. Hey! Okay, should we do it at the same time?
Okay.
Okay. Wish me luck. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Alright. Good luck. See you on the other side. So this is us. Pick up your cup. Ooh, that was close. Alright. Good luck.
Mirror on the camera. Look how beautiful that is.
Glazed Donut who? Yes, Glazed Donut twins. You want a box of us? You know you want a box of us. I love it.
Yep.
It looks good.
I love yours. Your liner's amazing.
I feel like I am so pale that you can't see anything that I'm doing.
You are not pale.
That's like lying on your resume, like, oh, all I did was answer phones for 5 hours. Oh, I was a phone operator. That's literally what that is. It's like, girl, you know, I'm just trying to be supportive here.